Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a review of green bamboo sheet mask from Miniso, which is one of my favorite brands in terms of affordability and product quality. The mask comes in black color, and I thought it would be green to represent bamboo, but never mind, I wore green. So it came dripping wet, which made me very happy, as the more the serum, the more it will go in my skin. So the mask contains activated bamboo charcoal fibers, hyaluronic acid, and beautiful Italian flower extract called Iris florentina. And all of these are great to improve skin texture and to provide hydration to our skin. Particularly, Iris florentina is great for mature skin, as does the hyaluronic acid, because it provides plumpness to the skin and minimize wrinkles. So you have to use the mask as grease free as possible, and you have to keep it for like 10 to 15 minutes. But I always say that you should keep the mask as long as it is moist on your face, and as soon as it begins to dry you should remove it. So for people with acne and oily skin, it's great because it eliminates the oil from the face and did not give me any pimple, which is so great for acne prone skin. And now you can see my skin looks so fresh, and it felt really hydrated and so smooth, and this is the reason I'm so happy and so elated. So yeah, definitely you should give it a try to get smooth, soft, supple skin. And if you want to know more, then just go to my website aishablogs.com to know in detail the ingredients and how to use this mask, and to get cotton candy like skin on you. Just make sure to not to eat yourself. Ciao.